Hello, I'm Manuel, I'm the CEO of Spectroplast. We believe that additive manufacturing has the potential to shift focus from rapid prototyping to mass customization of functional parts straight out of the printer. So far, only rigid materials such as plastics, ceramics and metals have been accessible to 3D printing. To create the next generation of patient-specific medical products, new materials such as silicone that are fully flexible and safe need to be accessible to 3D printing. Over the last years, we developed a material chemistry that enables the production of high-precision silicone parts straight out of the printer. Combining the unlimited design freedom of additive manufacturing as well as the excellent properties of silicone allows the fabrication of fully customized medical implants.
Hi, I'm an interventional pulmonologist. It's my task to keep the airways of patients open who suffer from, for example, cancer. And it's always been a dream to customize materials and devices. And directly printed silicone, which is the ideal material, would be the dream of an interventional pulmonologist. So I think this technology has huge potential to revolutionize the way we practice medicine today.
We have demonstrated that the process is fully stable and repeatable, and therefore we then incorporated Spectroplast, a spin-off from ETH Zurich. With the technology being ready for scale, we are very excited to have a positive impact on society and reach millions of patients in need very soon.